Congratulations on the purchase of your 2020 EcoSport S. Just want to take a moment and show you where a few things are on your vehicle so you'll be more familiar with it when you get it. At the back on the driver's side is the fuel door. It is an easy fuel system. There's not supposed to be a gas cap. At the driver's door, we open it up. You have your power locks, your power mirrors, pick which mirror and then move the arrows to where you want them to go. And of course your 4 power windows with the express down on the driver's side. There's the chair. This one is a lumbar support. This one will raise the chair up and down with a little pumping action. And back farther is to change the angle of recline. As we come into the vehicle, on the left side of the steering column, little release for your tilt. When you get it in the position that you like, simply pull that back up. Now, to the left of the steering wheel, we have our headlamps. Right now it's in the automatic position, so when it gets dark, the lights will go on, and when you shut off the engine, the lights will shut off. Sitting behind the wheel, key obviously goes in on the right hand side. I'm in California. Now, tank is full, 593 kilometers to empty. And as we take a look on the left-hand side of the steering column, we see a 5-way, which is right about where your thumb normally would be. And as you hit this one, you can change your display. Display settings, your language, your units, English or Spanish. You can do the liters per 100 kilometers, kilometers and liters. So you can set it up how you want it to be. You can reset the trip odometer at any time. My key is where you can program a secondary key for a beginner driver. It can limit the top end speed. It can limit the stereo volume. You've got a tire monitor, an oil life monitor. And under your advanced settings, you've got chimes, information, and under vehicle, how long your auto lamp is going to stay on. So all of that is controlled with the 5-way here. Below that we have our cruise control, so you turn it on or off. Once you're at the speed you want, you hit set, and then if you tap set plus or set minus, it'll move up 1 mile per hour or down 1 mile per hour. Hit the brakes, it'll still temporarily hold your speed in memory. So if you hit resume, that would take it back to your preset speed. Cancel, or can is short for cancel, and would wipe out that speed. Now on the right hand side of the steering column, another 5-way. This time it's your volume, seek to the next stations, and your voice button.
Please say a command.
FM 105.7.
Tuning to FM 105.7.
More music variety, 105.7.
So as you can see, you can turn on the radio with your voice. You can make a phone call with your voice after you've paired your phone. It's a pretty good setup in the vehicle. Fairly easy to read display, and when nothing's on, the clock shows quite bright. Your volume control, tune the stations, and down below, your fan speed, where the air is flowing, and whether or not the air conditioning is on. We do have a couple of charge points. Your temperature set, red and blue for warmer and colder. And on the other side of the steering column, we have this one here. That's to shut off the auto stop start. That's a temporary override of the feature, and TCS is traction control system, so that's an off switch there. Of course, your gear shift, and you should be ready to go. So enjoy your new vehicle. If you ever have any questions, any concerns, I'm Jim Brickell at Ed Learn Ford. Thank you, and have a great day.